Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A40, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you find one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, right here where the pin is holding, and you just want to push it in. There we go. The tray will pop out, and once you pull it out, you have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. Once you place the cards on the tray, you can then insert it back into your device. You want to be careful, there's nothing holding those cards in place. Let's give it a moment, it should, oh there we go, pop up with the SIM card pin. I'm going to confirm that. So obviously the SIM card is working as it's prompting me to put in the pin, and SD card should be working as well. Probably some notification or not. But it should work as well without any steps needed. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.